Hello students. Today in this video I will explain you the remaining question of exercise 4th. All of you see question number 7. 7 question. Minus 3 upon 7 is written. And in the heading of the question it is written, express this rational number with first part numerator 12. In the first part we have to make the numerator 12. What is given in the question? Minus 3 upon 7 is given. Here in place of 3 we have to bring 12. So in order to multiply, in order to get 12 we have to multiply with 4. 4 into 3 when we will do, then our answer will be 12. 4 3 is 12. But this answer will be minus plus minus 12. But in the question it is written we have to make plus 12. So in order to make plus 12 we have to take minus sign also. So minus multiply minus will become plus sign. 4 into 3 will become 12. So in the numerator we are multiplying with minus 4. So in the denominator also we have to multiply with minus 4. This is the rule. Same number we have to take in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Now plus minus minus 7 4 ja 28. So first part answer is 12 upon minus 28. Now see another part number 3rd. Third part, denominator we have to make. Denominator is equal to minus 49. Question is minus 3 upon 7. In the denominator we have to make minus 49. So we have to multiply with 7 first. 7 into 7, 49. But here it is plus, then here we have to take minus 7. Because plus and minus will become minus. 7 into 7 will become 49. So here we have to multiply with minus 7 in the denominator. So in the numerator also we will multiply with the same number, minus 7. So minus and minus will be plus. 7 3 is 21. So this is the final answer of question number 7, third part. Now next question. Question number 9th. 8th question is same as question number 7th. Both are same. Question number 9, all of you see. 9th question. Minus 60 upon 108 is given. And we have to make the numerator 20. Here in the numerator we have to make 20. So in order to make the numerator 20, what we will do? Here it is minus 60 upon 108. In the numerator we have to multiply or divide, that we have to check. In the answer we have to bring 20. 20 is the smaller number. Here it is given 60 and we have to make smaller number, that is 20. So in order to make smaller number we will not multiply, we will divide it. इसको करेंगे आप divide. With which number we have to divide? We have to divide this with 3. Because 23 is 60 is the answer. That's why we have to divide with 3. So now when we will divide these two numbers, minus and here no sign we have taken, that means this is plus. Minus plus answer will be minus. But in the question it is written we have to make plus 20 in the numerator. So in order to make plus 20 we have to take minus sign here also. So minus divided by minus will become plus. 60 divided by 3 will become 20. That means in the denominator also we have to divide with minus 3. In the denominator also we will divide with the same number. So plus and minus will become minus. When we will divide 108 with 3, then our answer will be 3 3 is 9, 18, 3 6 is 18. So we are getting 36 answer. So here we will write minus 36. So this is the final answer of first part. Now see another part. Part number 3rd. Denominator we have to make minus 54. In the denominator we have to make minus 54, but in the question it is given here minus 60 upon 108. in order to bring minus 54 in the denominator, minus 54, this 54 is less than 108, that means we have to divide. By which number we have to divide? 54 2 ja, if we will do 54 2 ja 500, 108 will be the answer. That means we have to divide with 2. So when we will divide this number by 2, we will get 54 as answer. Here it is plus sign, then here we have to take minus sign, because plus and minus will become minus. In the same way we have to do in the numerator also. Denominator we have divided with minus 2, so numerator also we will divide with minus 2. Minus and minus will become plus. 60 divided by 2 will be 30. So final answer is 30 upon minus 54. So like this you have to do question number 9. Now next question number 10. 10th question. 10th question is, write each of the following in the standard form. Standard form means you have to write in simplest form. First part, 21 upon 27. You have to cut these two numbers with the same table. Both are coming in a table of 3. 3 7 ja 21, 3 9 ja. So final answer is 7 upon 9. Now see another part number 3rd. 30 upon minus 48. With a table of 6 we will cancel these two. 6 5 ja 30, 6 8 ja 48. But in this minus is there, so here we will put minus 8. So 5 upon minus 8 is the final answer. See another part number 6. Minus 21 upon 175. Part number 6. So these two are coming in a table of 7. We will cut them in a table of 7. 7 3 ja 21. Minus is also there, so we will put minus. 7 2 ja 14. Remainder will be 3. 3 and 5 will be 35. 7 5 ja 35. So minus 3 upon 25 is the final answer of this part number 6. Now see next question. Identify the pair of equivalent rational number. We have to identify equivalent rational number, which are equivalent here. 11th question, first part. 3 upon minus 5 and 36 upon 60. These two numbers, fractions are given, rational numbers. So this is 3 upon minus 5 and these two are cancelling with the same table. We will cancel them. 12 3 ja 36, 12 5 ja 60. So here we got 3 upon 5. Now we have to check whether these two are equal or not. This is minus 3 upon 5, but this is plus 3 upon 5. So they are not equivalent. So we will write here, they are not equivalent. Now see another part. Part number 2nd. Second part is minus 2 upon 3 and 16 upon minus 24. These two we will cancel with a table of 8. 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. Minus is also there, so we will put minus sign also. So this is minus 2 upon 3 and this is 2 upon minus 3. So if we will check the sign, here it is minus, in the denominator no sign is given, that means this denominator is plus. Here it is plus and here it is minus. So minus and plus will become minus, and this one also minus and plus will become minus. That means sign of both these rational numbers are same. So what we will do, or we will put or we can write like this, minus 2 upon 3 and this minus is in the denominator, we can write it in numerator also, meaning will remain same. Now these two are same, exactly same, that means they are equivalent. We have to write they are equivalent. So like this we have to do all the remaining part of this question number 11. Now question number 12. Question. Find the value of x. First part. 1 upon 7 equal x upon minus 35. So first of all, we have to make the x alone. Under this x, minus 35 is also there. So this minus 35 is in divider. It is in the denominator. We will bring it in the numerator. So 1 upon 7. Here it is in divide. On left hand it will be in multiply. Minus 35. If after that equal sign is there, we will put equal sign. Now here it is x. 35 we had already removed. 35 we will not write here in the denominator now. 7 5 ja 35. Here minus sign is also there, so we will put minus sign. So 1 multiply minus 5, answer will be minus 5. So final answer of x is minus 5. See another part number 3rd. 3 upon minus x equal 39 upon 52. Here in this question, the x which we have to calculate, that is in the denominator. So first step is we have to make this x in the numerator. So what we will do? We will do reciprocal on both sides. Taking reciprocal on both sides. So when we will do reciprocal on both the sides, this will become minus x upon 3 and this will become 52 upon 39. Now next step, this 3 is in divide. On right hand side it will be in multiply. So x is equal to minus x. Here minus sign is also there. Minus x is equal to 52 upon 39 multiply 3. Divide 3 will come here in multiply. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 13 4 ja 52. So finally we got the answer, x minus x is equal to 4. Or we can say x answer is minus 4. This minus sign we will write in the number. Then our answer will be x is equal to minus 4. So like this you have to do question number 12. Now rest of the parts are exactly same. So all the parts you have to try by yourself now. In case if you are having any doubt, then you can put the comment in a comment box. I will explain you in a next video.